Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are going local. We are making Mpotompoto, this time with sweet potatoes. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. We start off by peeling our star ingredients, which is our sweet potato. Dice it nicely into smaller cubes. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box down below, so do well to check it out. After dicing, we wash our potatoes nicely, add some water and a little bit of salt. Here we do not add too much salt because of the other ingredients that we'll be using. I also went ahead and added some fresh tomatoes and some onion. If you are using fresh pepper, this is the time you can add it as well. I added some Tolo beef or cured beef and also some Momoni or stinky fish. They both have a bit of salt, that's why I didn't add a lot of salt from the beginning. Once it boils, you can now remove your tomatoes, onions and fresh pepper if you added any, and then we are going to be blending. Before blending, I added some ginger and garlic as well. My blender could take heat, so if your blender can't take heat, you have to add some cold water or let it cool before you blend. For me, I didn't add any form of water. After blending, I just scooped some water off the potato that is boiling, poured it into the blender to mix my blended tomatoes and onion, and then to lighten it up before I poured it onto the boiling potatoes. Since I didn't add fresh pepper, I added some powdered pepper and some powdered herrings that I had. It's totally optional. If you have shrimp powder, you can add it as well. And then I stirred everything together. Let it boil until the potato softens up. So I went ahead and added my smoked mackerel, and at this point, if you don't eat enamti in your house, that's your business. I eat enamti in my house, so you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. So we go ahead and add our shrimp cube. This one is not by force, so if you have shrimp powder at home, you can use that shrimp powder. I just wanted the shrimp flavor, that's why I'm using the shrimp cube. And then we stir until everything is well incorporated. And once your potato is soft enough, you would go ahead and mash it. So you can use anything available to you that you can use to mash. And I use the potato masher. You can use your spatula or your wooden spatula, yeah. And after mashing and making sure everything is nice and even, you're not mashing till it becomes like banku, you're mashing till like it's a honey bab. And then you add a onion, last minute ingredients, onions and some papushito for more flavor. This Mpotompoto, just make it and then set it in front of your enemies. They'll become your loved ones because they can't reject it. Now you know that I have to top it with some ingredients from Big's Organic Food. So yeah, we are adding the Big's Zomi to complete our Mpotompoto. If you have correct zomi or palm oil and you pour it on top of your Mpotompoto, all that flavor and aroma and everything mixes in there. The zomi also has its own unique taste. Combine everything together, Charlie. It be vibe. You need to try this at home. This Mpotompoto was so delicious. You know, sweet potatoes on its own is really nice, and you've made Mpotompoto out of it. It's really, really good. Your kids would love it. Everybody can eat this. Would you try this at home? If you would, please let me know in the comment section. And I wasn't stingy. I made one subscriber try this out. Let's hear from her what she thinks.
Okay, so hello guys, I'm Joanne, and Today I'm tasting Food Stories sweet potato in Mpotompoto. Can't wait. Simple should relax. Let me finish eating and give you the feedback. So as you can see, I'm done with my food and I must say I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. And when it comes to Mpotompoto, I'm really a fan of the yam. So this is my first time tasting the sweet potato and it's very nice. It's so nice. I really enjoyed it. Like the taste, it was so nice. Like you guys should try it out. Okay.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share with your friends and family, and leave a comment if you've ever tried this recipe before or you're going to try it. I'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.